mpa o man mu no emra wo what you say enti say no say yabobo glass krampa kwan ya wafa so ajaje wo own issue na ma wo difo se nipa ne aka so onya wo case ma wo betimi aye na so ne de atare ho na so ne kra me hu na wo se agume it's too much like waka aso na ma nipa no asa aso ni mpa yetum because say life ni aso ni mu enti aso na yetum this is something a childish. This guy like or acting as if that's or ya crabby. The beer was so be it's too much. It's too much.
Yeah, the meet tun kwala for e wo fie.
And that's the Showboy.
Men yes me because I'm more. Because my mom brother, Yankopon na share me no second chance. Nti bia be di me china visa for a lifestyle we fa me die and down. E go I regret I go through the pain while I lost America.
Oh.
You feel me? I want to go back to school. I want to be a lawyer. Like I have 40 credit. I really want to be a lawyer. So this the lifestyle. We just can't go back. So we don't have no choice than to go how we actually gonna make something out of it. So if you're watching me, I don't want to be like this. I want to be in suit and tie in parliament.
Oh.
I want to do something better. The music, this lifestyle.
Yeah, sure. So this is the time I was that guy. First of all, the family ni na adwimu kakra because utimu sa na adwimu kano. Ni bibia we bia enyo no ana obi a fan ekobisa ne se ane e wo se promote then who ka fa Black Sheriff enwom ho a odidi atemi ni bibia oye bia ye off e wo se kwhwe na adwimu na se achi ni tum we nipa na so na waka no what will you get from it na ka wo se nkore na so ne so kan
I have for na asam na credit card e kasa e credit card na say eni nya yankasa na after so oka nipa na so no kra no Ose boys na attack no. Omo to two stones burn the cars. Omo the cars bear for the koi. Ka je bi the video ne beto so a. Omo the cars bear for the koi. Omo say glasses ni na boys no.
Let me tell you something. So
Emo bin dada o se wai. Mi wi asi ni na mi ni wo bi aka ho. Dua bata buoso ni twa ye twana. Odoti masie nenum nsu twen wo pe enchenchen wo na afe debi ya ma wampa ya ma wakwa baba tetemofra TV so ye tetemofra ko hunu show na adrusi enami a metina tetemofra paka kesie mu ahemfo konwani mu no me na metina mu na efrem MC Omar Sterling na debia dance so mu se shifting cultivation bia ko so ne se minwa ba no nko ba bia o hye ya ye wonsem phobia eguye pno so si dimani free ho na se wodi ya na wodi asem afi wo peso ton ade o tetemofra TV so a numbers ne go so frɛ ya e no be ye adwuma ne fefefe TNC apply and na meka chiro God's love and why for you pa.
Thank you very much Medasi.
You are looking beautiful like
really
extraordinary beautiful.
Thank you.
Yen ko yen sem so kan se na ba na mo wo se na adi ntukura na wiase yen tu da bi nhye ho se yini ne ewro ya hote se ye nananom ai Adam and Eve kin tu da bi nsi ho yen fan se 27th May naked world naked day nanke twa ye ho nanke de nam ene no me be hu ni agro esun nyi ne esu yetete mo fra ha mesrewo ti we video na ba na mo na da so abaya fe so no ade se na no ati we ba politics mo dia ne se obi enim na ba na mo a one ne de sa asem wi ba na comment e ko so de me kwem mo a e be biem ni afifi no ye yi ni ba ko de ama afi next story so ye asema esi wo akem oda endra ye nya be ma Showboy ye ka Showboy obi enim no one finest artist no Ghana no live America e deport ne ba Ghana u bese e de ekono de na bra boy ye Ghana tutura asem ne nkwase asem kwa no de se di meka enye tutura asem one ne ex former ye mfa ne kenkan se former artist on no sign no ai bra no oda prison wa America a obeduru Ghana BBNC wo so apamo no mentem ho ase bebrebe ba no so bibim ne a kire afi so kafu danku kafu danku de oyoba chese celebrities on na wari broni on di kan wari broni de menim no ono ne Ghana celebrities a odi kan wari broni on ne wo abrofoma ono so say e de ba de akura na ye afa Ghana creative art na ho eno mi nua ba God's love na be dum wasu kwa bibi ma kire me no ye fa ni serious and as ye di agro afesi etu shi dia kwala tamemu ai Nigeria semeka Nigeria one biggest artist or Davido Adeleke ai wohu the trending video bi e Ghana ni o ye kase washing be worker obi ohoro cars wo washing be na hwa akwane talent o de ohoro cars na Davido dwen won ti aso na obi ohoro cars keke na etimi tumenyum back to back word to word matese me kura no sabi ye de mi ko gina stage so kwa bia me rebi film lyrics na akoi etimi tumenyum from A to Z dia na ese wo se me channel dia achede na anya achede bia se 5k right 5k dollars o se sabaga na sika me 73 million 730 million 36 nim na ese o no nya adwuma bia ma Davido o horo cars keke ana nyom beto apaso a trend ma obi atu bi utimi to no word to word back to back man dia na o se o surprise o na we kura kire se Ghana for ye den we no ye Ghana ni to utimi se ontimi to Ghana nyom A to Z ana Ghana for ye chop alone na ye da na se Davido e bi ye ni the entire Nigerians omo ko international e bi eni hu se wunua e wo talent e so oboa no invest woni mu chop alone na dos wo Ghana na man for ko to shares ema Black Sheriff se wo Black Sheriff for ye Ghana ni kura no wentimi anya ade we na Nigeria ni ya latani etimi ehu nyansa dakete so adwen se akurei e wo se memo no 5k we obi dwetere o wonya adwuma wonsa nka wano nkan wonya 5k dollars ene series eno se bedo mu asuko afenzu so Mr. say we ase se wona mamen na mwokwa ida se odo ho ba koja bosom ana se odo ho be manyankopon na yese me kanfo odifo Samuel ma odifo Samuel de hajwa amama kai ma sembi akwa bi bedi adanse wo se oso dan na before the pant adwagu ne so e wo sunsun oso dan na before the pant adwagu se wono do a spiritual word was in the busuafo ha ne yie pa
na just ye the pant adwagu ne so dia
e wo sunsun wono oni
that means say the adwaman honhom na ewura no hallelujah yes
it's me kanfo odifo Samuel ma amane be na wo fam say ye court cases utu galam say na say gold name ba oba ye hiri baba na say ade eche na say gold name ba o peso utu kwan wadwuma sente say dia ben ya can mention e dia be na ohia me say say ko odifo Samuel so ye so no be shiraw amwa ye konkron o ye adwuma from Monday to Friday and o ye adwuma o frɛ no so a obenya bai wa son no bi obɛfrɛ no wakasa bɔkɔ no instructive bibia kama o say counseling kan one-on-one part-to-part counseling e wana so ye ubehu no ahembobo ano me kira ahembobo na ese menhia ho na o kasa odifo Samuel ye be kire number no so na egusu na ye 3 numbers na egusu bebre twegu yi ubetimi afre no 0240 0245 479724 0245 479724 o frɛ na obedi wasem odifo ana bra na menye wu hawo ni na mfiri so afei me twa me ho aba se me twa me ho ba bie ma ye the stories in there bro. Ayo ahwefo sama makwa ba matete mofra TV so tete mofra ko hu no aje so say eni jenko bi kwa bebusa se na internet na yememene da mwanye interview enya problem kakra de be ma mo next week ba go na de yesa be di pick na na okoso yes or no so okoso but the ngro bebre bia be hihye mu ache se na be very interesting without interview ne kra me nua ba yi wa ide so wa oni tua let's go to our first story of the day. Nana Banamwa. What's love?
Yes.
Me say what did you mean or what die na? Yes, so that your bonny be na just better media no so hu keka. Or say to the BC one say Adam and Eve said Yankopon shall say bo wias na emra na wo ho no. E betime disamba na so. Obi kwa be say emra be. Yen roro ye ho ne emfa ne nam. Ene e say every Friday be also boni kana do kodwom. Why imagine say obi di ne tedue nyam krum na wani yakobo so.
First of all, yenchia yeti for pani asha for pade bia domo share with Timofra online TV. So I can boldly say siane Timofra Kohunu is going to be the biggest entertainment show ever. Nana ba na mo asem o kan no, when I saw the message on social media, na ye me say I don't know the reason why I type it her. Say yenyi daba ku bi show obi an run ho dia. You say experience is the best teacher and kebe yanka na ba na mwana nkasa ya dawroma eno ono adawroma ntino anko ono amumunwa ne mu ehun nika because there are a whole lot of things are ekoso especially talking about media field and ka wosen kasa suggestion in anko meki say nka yenyi daba ku bi wo hono ma obia oye journalist bia and now say obia oye journalist bia mpo enko individual media institutions na ye enko educate wo about the ethics of journalism and no mum na hia say wosen ko ka this kind of information nya de bia wosen ko beka no social media so na no are you promoting prostitution or you are promoting how people look with their body stature and answering because I quite remember say Oko United Showbiz and na Charlotte Odro lady our counselor ne issue by about the marriage say yeah bisa say make a suggestion about it osiane sasem we you want me make a suggestion about it nanka a whole media personality like you are obia fa osa as a mentor na wo kase enyi da ba kunjina honoma ye de be promote bibia ye mfendwa ye ho mfa nante nke mom the experience is the best teacher ko no mom dwa ne ho a na ko de anam kroma ma ne ehu senke ye no so so no mo pe na asem na wo so mu di so this is something that she shouldn't have to come out and say like a very light so we say make it this kind of what you say
but me God's love me who say ono no ka Nyankopon mra obo wi ase foforo no share ma Adam and Eve na yes say roro ye ho o ma roro mo ho mu nim hwe so mo dadeja to the point say bonsam na nka se be yi ne ho kire God's love fuma o dada na otimi vi app ni bi so dada if Adam right enti ono pa kire say anka yindi Nyankopon mra so say ya meto by experience bi anka ye say de nyina ya meto say bronya wo ho Easter wo ho enso so ye di to say ayampa Nyankopon be wi ye wo Yesu da say say una ni ho
aha na me ni ho
aha ana ni na so o Bible mu say ye wo Adam Nyankopon bo Adam and Eve no obi ani ho shatare enti ade enti na yen san recall and as yen come back to the outmoded culture na na wo honum ye man say be a first Sunday be of the month bia no asori a wo kono muni na mombo ni keda mo nkwa so ni yen ha de and as every last Sunday of the month no asori ni bia mbo ni ked no mfa enti me hu ni say e bia a good point if it's any point me enkoda sunye so enwene sa ase me mba public emeka na se media so meka
me pacho wadam anka wo so wobetimi ayi hu sa na so we make example because for what I know as Christians yani Yakopon boy e ba wiase no
ni enhwehwe
ni enhwehwe ba ye be ye boni ye ni da ho ena nkasa krompo nipa oba wo nyini duru ba bia ho ana be makro nyini duru ba bia there are some parts beyond my you want to cover like you don't want to show what you say ana ye even crampo no say oba ene Ghana ha say your culture crampo so oba e sha atade short na wo de atwa picture de aba beto abontin a e ya say na wa adwen ye wo because anansa onim si de osi kura ne ho what you say ena even po no Bible ni mu no tama na Adam and Eve no my naked and the Bible told us yan na omunim boni nimpa omunim boni o enti boni na omokoye no mani ba omo say even the Bible was saying see and Yakopon ba garden ni mu no a offer omo no say eja mehu dadeja like when we say why boni but that time ni na ne ho eye naked no ye naked but no nim see and we naked but by the time we ye boni no we hu say we naked enti sa boni no their genes is going through us enti ni nyina na enya ade eye normal say we say eye
And
again, dear, no man say was here. Who shall the man who are naked? Then abontin available naked. This is something that she should have said different thing altogether. And the media and so no crampo. People are not educating us right. Will be entertainment analysts and not politician crampo your platform. The way they speak out, it's very embarrassing. It's very disgusting. This is something as a whole personality like you, I will win awards. People look up to you. You're very fluent or you're eloquent. You should have bring out something good. It will bring out the media industry to a different standard. Unlike the minimum say not pay fame and also pay people to draw attention on, because Nana Banamwa will be on and some here she will never say it. But Ben Chelsea and in your case right.
Inti my winning Chelsea ojina bibi so. And I say our point. Say to me to that esi was say yen celebrated that the Yankopon. Near to that esi was say yen fan celebrated that you Yankopon there. I didn't know papa no ma from Maseba, yes, Adam and Eve, no. Yentimi, yes, I did fan celebrating, yen fan Kaiom.
Maybe your papa no more your bonny nature, not that storm that's we naked, and it Jomosu, put that time no me any pammy, no penny worry as Adam and if no me any pammy, no pen or more worry as later on now, more your bonny no many bombs, so they covered themselves. So what's our more tray and ye being in the battle and say, I'm many papa no macovam because that time Adam and Eve in the Bible be anywhere chess and all my woo. It's ye so almost be woo and a dear or mamma who yen is almost entirely and ye cover yourself into way a simple and short and can another one cabell bois seeing yes idea conum leadership by example and ameboa. Yes, I want to
when you comment to be here on YouTube or say you are doing really good, keep it up, okay. Now, or say Buza say, yeah, we used to know Ujinaho. And a Roman for Nusu Kuno na Ujinaho. And the other internet, we was also need the name your own person in the Bayadri. Or say, yeah, we used to Christ know Ujina, but why would you say we used to Christ? I celebrating every
maybe to me it's not right in Kebeya Konwanka Sanya Mumpreko. Nanabana what she started leadership by example.
Because la would you say leadership by example, yeah, okay, said, and I'm a shas, yeah, Uben Yang or form Medinachi.
Oh, so I want a fans. Me say, yes, I did, and I will never be naked outside. Sebio said, will be yet no naked, no nam bonti, a castle or your day. Sebinaji and Najim Kano or your bodemini, right? So those who follow her should follow her. Me, I won't follow her. Me, if I will follow her, I'm following her because of how eloquent she is, how intelligent she is. So if say the intelligence that I see is different from water, Mimi Huna, or Mombe following should do it. Who crumble say I see you see supporting cows where come up our massy. Oh, wrong when you now domain since so now papa don't pay me since so Cababa. Oh, by yes,
sir.
What be yes, sir? The question is, will you do it?
Oh, shine some my minia bay, Calbezonia Cassetia. I say me, if I send me chairman, say, never na kind. But me nene ya drink a cake, two shade and your minia bay catch the many efe. Or Personia Cassetia, efe. I send me a name na kind, me the mechanic cake. Yes, I'm to us way, oh, I came on that. Say Achimo, say Akimo, or that. Obi be him, ni na yo da. Okay. Showboy, obi enim Showboy, you see all trend pa. If na dan ko da do. On ebo bombo yi. Station nungwa, me say bombo yi. Aha, bombo yi hit maker. Showboy. Showboy kwa de me boni dia so hu nipa kofi say, e deport na koye nsemi bre. Ono nko ne Ghanaian celebrity or say celebrity wa America memu. E bin see that. 90% of Americans will be any Showboy. Some sabi, I could ye, me and the biggest fan pa. Nendo and semi coso, I come on that. Namitie muno, I'm a fifi mono nature say. Or no American now or prison. No. At least I was signing a year. Or no can any dinner, dear bay. There be or signing at least be. At least Nidimeba. Now at least no signing no. Oba Ghana na ye deport ne ba mi se na adwune na ha no se bi de ne ha no se no oboda mu oba na so ni ntimi nya adwuma bio at least na anti ase ba me no assign me under your record label uso ntimi ni me nya adwuma biem dia me ni asem bi aka okay o say asem ni na ne say o free yi camp honom no ana say omujai contract ne say bibia no o free fee on oja ne book na lyrics ni na wom enti we akoye say books na lyrics ni wom no. And you must Showboy the bar outside in lyrics back to back, word to word in every book. book na lyrics book na o jai two film so Showboy yeah wo ye ni na bombo ye ho ni remesa wo ye ni na frisa book nim na say o konfo wo konfo mini aba be say wo be ifo we dey wo konfo ankasa nti ese ndo akobo show wa kemo da na boys so mo ntia so di ka di nkomo ndada to mu nam say na no ye padi ni ese so wo shi obi kwa na so na ye adwuma na sankosi ya ade ntina so treat ni say sana Ghana for mo ye me ungrateful mu so da no ense mebre na ye koso e ma Showboy ba say what o makra wo shemase ade ntina timi kwa ase me enim unim tama me de show me lyrics e botu na me tworo me ya dan ko me nda nti ade ntina so ka che wo na for say me wia wonom ono na odi asem ne ba kwa ankoko abedi chiefo no do gire chire ka se wani gine na to boba no ana o se wo me ma afio na ade o so na sum se ya kabo chinchinga eda ne nsem na God's love nsem isa na eni enya ka ka me se JB ntimi show video no ko betimi ablay ne kakra ni petimi ka ni pa so se ka hurupa na eda ne nsem
Showboy menim die ntia oba Ghana no aso neni so ye krakra dada
please na ko dai ne ka
ba wasa ye krakra mo ade we se na wose nkomo ankasanya akokoduro bi ni ye chi Showboy atum ade nti na wo wakwa akobo show na wo ni obi ku a na waka na so me to me I think see an as a Showboy oba Ghana no wenya mental health like problem kakra yeah wenya to be honest because na de bia we ye bie ni hono ma esisi so na wo de ntia ma ye che woni say to trust him say bia wo koye no mama no ne ene ye de wo ba ha say and secondly so no I think say this is the time Ghana was nkrofo bi won me ni kwan say so omo so kra I was a creative arts industry no omo wo some people obia artists bia ye bibia like you punishing wo kwan bi so Lord Pepper odoye wo that artist no me can say the song video be our deba out now you rama na video ni very nude as ya bani na see and you can so enya no nko say obi show bibia any kwan so show e was said niam this kind of attitude na was say de na ye ukwa Nigeria a whole film industry no we are a single actress and an actor producer now we go by or you go against the rules of acting and that's anything a govern a acting industry now ye punish you e bi wo kwampa be 3 years 4 years ye catch you say wa obeko bia set so obi a producer bi obeboa ama artist we na actress we say aba mi show so no sa production team no mo so ye be punish mu I was saniama we nyina ye hwe because Showboy like that guy I don't know what is wrong with him it's too much what can obi aso we say nka waka obi aso na nka rules wo hono me governor ne nka ache ne de wakwa akotu because you already know government outside grandpa say you are not okay you are punished me I don't know the reason why at that time me can ask me sir me she only delay interview or see as a man a chance be so me movie around or did you buy you
really
yes so me when they say so ono grandpa say I'm not sure say an obetimi akwa outside country ontimi nko
America dey me sure
ontimi nko biem. So this is the time I was that guy first of all the family ehye na adwimu kakra because utimu sa na adwimu kano the bibia we ye bia enyo no ana obi a fan ekobisa na se ane I was say promote then who ka fa Black Sheriff enyom ho a odidi atemi the bibia oye bia ye off I was see a question na adwimu na se achini tum we nipa na so na waka no what will you get from it na ka was enko na so so kan
I have for na asamna ye credit e kasa ye credit say eni nya yankasa na after so oka nipa na so no kra no o se boys na attack no omo to two stones burn the cars omo the cars be for na koi ka je bi video ne beto so a omo the cars be for na koi omo ase glasses ni na boys no
let me tell you something so obi ya de na wo mpa o man mu no emra wo what you say enti say no say yabobo glass crampa kwanya wafa so ajaje wo own issue na ma wo difo se nipa ne ka so onya wo cars ma wa wo betimi aye na so ne de atare ho na so ne kra me hu na wo se agume it's too much like waka aso na ma nipa no asa aso ni mpa ye tum because say life ni aso ni mu enti aso na ye tum this is something a childish this guy like or act as if so ya krabi de bia wo so be it's too much. It's too much. And Ghana for so yes so. Microphone be so too much. Showboy, who is Showboy? Then a legacy ben papa ben pano jano haseya. Still waba people are still pampering this guy who is Showboy.
As somebody say a fan visa with the 2 billion I can't acquire goslap and I give you the Showboy. That's the problem right now. And no me who comment na nebe ba ne kwana say me say obi ono na kwaka obi aso a ono so anya attack in return no na police asama na escort. Are you serious?
Showboy
Obi na kwaka obi aso no onkofo na take revenge no police asama Showboy escort to say airport to say him for son san kofa eyinko, which is not understandable. Me dwen ho na me ntia say wakwaka obi aso o kama so no mintimi nka waso bi de me so metimi de aye waso bebo kan se me pie o glasses and a cast of force omodi ba yi na glasses ni na pie ono akoye reporter police asama na escort JB fa video nento so mo se escort no police ba car ba ku gina nimu ana ba ku we chire police man escort. So what's going on God's love in this country? Ghana by I was say mo hwe bibi ye pa ne nsem bia se bi nkwasa sem bia na wose mudi akire we ni na a waste of petrol to baby a wokoni na say 30 minutes drive a waste of petrol minim say aya na mo top petrol go kan nim I don't know yenko ye next story. So afina mpesa me kai we say wo pesa wo ton wa de otete mo fra TV so a akonya ne da ho esaya fofofo a mintimi mbodi enchire ba wo fra enu bedi nkomo